What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going through the top 5 things that every trader needs. First up is MyFXBook. Now, MyFXBook is a website and it's also an app. I have both. Obviously I use the website, but I also have the app on my phone. Now this is my go-to website for the economic calendar. So when you come to the home screen, it will when you go to the first screen, it shows you this is the landing page. You can obviously see all sorts of data that they want to give you and information, which is fine. It's kind of like a social network because you can see people talking and commenting and whatnot. However, I mainly and only use it for economic calendar and interest rates. So if we go to the economic calendar, you can see how easy it is to use. I love how clean it is, how simple the user interface is, and just how adjustable it is as well. So you can go over here for filters, and then you can see I've set mine for high impact news on USD, so it's now only going to show me that. And what's great is that I can also get email and live notifications from this. So this is why I like MyFXBook, and also you can see as far into the future as you need, such as into next week and previous weeks as well. So obviously today we had a lot of high impact news if you've been in the markets, and then what would have happened is MyFXBook would notify me at 1:30 that this was going to be happening, which is great. And then I can see all the way into next week. We do have non-farm payroll and such, and then even into the week after that we have CPI. So yeah, MyFXBook, I just love it because it's simple, easy to use. I'll also show you some clips from the app as well. The app is just as smooth and easy to use, and then when you want, you can just click on the notification bell. Obviously I need to sign in, but then that will alert you when these events are happening. So this is my go-to website for economic calendar, and when you see me doing my trade executions, especially in London sessions and such, it is usually keying off what kind of data is being released from this website, from the economic calendar. Next up is TradingView. Now this seems like a very obvious one, and don't get me wrong, it is. But the reason I like TradingView is just because, one, I'm used to it. Two, the app and the app on your phone and the website itself are very in sync with each other. So every time I do my markings out here on the computer, I can always access it very easily and see everything clearly on my phone, which is great. And another thing that I love about TradingView is their paper trading. Now when you have an urge and you don't want to overtrade on your real account or live accounts, you can always come to the paper trading. It's very easy to use. You can just click this button and you can easily reset the account with how much you want to play with. And then it's very good to watch your trade executions play out and such. So when you see my trade executions on my YouTube channel, I do conduct them on here purely because you can see me enter, exit, place my stop loss and everything. And then what I do is I place the real trades behind the scenes. But yeah, TradingView, very obvious. And also obviously I like how much access I have to all the markets necessary for me to be doing my analysis and such. Furthermore, their free version, because TradingView have multiple versions that you can pay for. They have different categories and levels of different premiums that you can pay for. I'm not currently paying for one, but the fact that I get so much for free on just through having the app in general is enough for me. It says a lot about the app and how reliable it is, and that's another reason I enjoy it as well. So TradingView, although it's an obvious one, definitely an app to download on your phone and on your computer as well. I do believe I have a much smoother experience using the Windows application as opposed to going on the internet. Next up is Forex calculators. I'm not sure if this app is available on the Apple App Store, however it is certainly on the Google Play Store, and this is what I use in order to measure my risk when I am placing positions and trades. It's very easy to use, simple interface. You simply just select what currency you're trading, select the amount of pips that you're going to be putting your stop loss at, the amount of percentage risk, and obviously the amount of capital you have to trade with, and then it will give you the amount of units or lot sizes that you should be trading with in order to successfully place a safe position. So this is a must-have, definitely one to download and definitely one for your portfolio. Another great app that I've started to use is FX Journal. Again, I'm not sure if this is available on the Apple App Store, but it is on the Google Play Store, and here I can track my trades, track my performance. Very easy to put in your positions and track them, and then it'll tell you your average loss, your performance rate as in winners against losers, and it's just a good way of tracking how you're performing in general. And it'll also keep you in check when you are placing trades, because knowing that you have to log it in a journal plays almost like a subconscious role in making you place more safe and thought through trades. So definitely get FX Journal. And finally, last but not least, is a physical journal. I do believe everyone should have one of these, as it is important to write down your feelings and emotions during your trades, whether they're successful or unsuccessful. And although FX Journal, the app I just showed you, does allow you to take notes and write down anything that you need to. Writing them down physically creates a much more intimate relationship with your trading career. It's easier to refer to as you only have to flick through a few pages as opposed to going through your phone, and also it creates a much more memorable experience for your trading. So that's going to be my top 5 things that every trader needs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment, make sure to join us on Discord, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.